In today's video, we're looking at website terms and definitions. Web browser. A web browser is a program that enables the user to see and research information on the World Wide Web. Microsoft Explorer and Mozilla Firefox are some of the popular browsers that are used to explore information on the World Wide Web. A web page. A web page is a document on the World Wide Web. This document is a HTML file and any associated files for scripts and images such as graphics. Other web pages are frequently hyperlinked to a HTML file. A web server. Computers are used to deliver or serve up web pages on the World Wide Web. After the user makes a request to access a website, the web server receives this request. The requested page is fetched by the server and it is sent to your web browser. A website. A website is a group of interrelated web pages. These web pages normally include a home page and are normally located on the same server. These web pages are created and maintained as a set of information by an individual, a group of persons, or a company or an institution. The World Wide Web. The web is another word that is used for the term World Wide Web. It is a set of interrelated files on the internet. This system is graphical and is easy to use. The World Wide Web enables large quantities of information to be available to users on the internet. In today's video, we looked at website terms and definitions, and we looked at the definition for the following terms: a web browser, a web server, a website, and the World Wide Web. So in today's video, we looked at the website terms and definition of these terms.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.